Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two Johnson & Johnson first aid kits. Here I've got the 80 piece, and here's the Band-Aids that it comes with. These are the same. It comes with 3 different types of Band-Aids. And here we have the 160 piece. Now I like that both of them come with Neosporin. This one comes with Neosporin, and so does this one. I like they're both in nice cases. Let's get a little closer look. Again, big thing in that Neosporin. Now this one does come with Benadryl. That's also nice if you got some itchies. So stop the itch. A lot more Band-Aids. Now again, they both come with the same amount of Tylenol. So you get 2 of these packs of extra strength Tylenol. So they both come with the exact same amount of Tylenol. They both come with these cleaning tablet, hand cleansing wipes. I think the Band-Aids, you get 1, 2, 3 types of Band-Aids here. They might be a little bit different. This one looks to be a little different. About the same, but it is different. And then you get some this is like the watertight one. I opened up one earlier. So you don't get very many of these. And then the small ones, they're the same. So you get the same small ones. And then you do get a pair of scissors. We look down here. We get an ice pack in the bigger one, just one ice pack. Get some scissors, some gauze, and then you get these big bandages. So those could really help out too. And you do get these little ones here to kind of put across things, you know, like that. So yeah, you do get quite a bit more in the 160 piece, but it is bigger. Both come with the same roll of tape, and they both have the same gauze. Now again, let's take a look at the sizes. So this one is, you know, it's 6 1/4 inches, 1.5 inches thick, 5.5. This is quite a bit bigger. This is almost 9.5 by 6.5 and 3.5. But it is red. This one has a little handle. But I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.